Hey there! I'm excited to share something exciting I'm doing for myself, and I'm hoping that you'll join me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Donna DeRosa, and I'm the author of the Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking and the Flexitarian Cookbook for Beginners. I'm turning 60 this year, and that boggles my mind. And I'm committing to a 60-day personal transformation just in time for summer. I'm thinking glowing skin, stronger hair, a balanced mind, and delicious, nourishing foods. My goal is to feel vibrant and healthy and energetic and glowing. Want to experience this with me? Join my free 60-day Glow Up Challenge starting Monday, April 21st and taking us right up to the first day of summer. I'll be posting what I'm cooking, eating, and doing to glow up. There will be daily shorts and longer weekly wrap-up videos. I'll also be creating a Glow Up playlist on my channel, so be sure to subscribe so you can follow along. I've also created a downloadable daily habit tracking sheet so you can measure your progress. You'll find a link to it in the description below. 60 days will fly by, and on the first day of summer, we'll celebrate our incredible progress together. Let's make this our best summer yet.